Hello, this is Victor from bulk.texandshop.com. bulk.texandshop.com. Immediately you sign up on bulk.texandshop.com, you'll be able to log in into your account using the username and password that you used in registering. And immediately you log in with a username that has a prefix of CIPC dash, the username that you chose while registering. But don't worry about that. You can read more about that on the homepage of the website bulk.texandshop.com. This video is to demonstrate to us how to create an address book, and how to input numbers into your address book, so that any other time you want to send bulk SMS, you won't have to bring in the numbers. The numbers will have been there in the address book. So once you log in, this is what it gives you. This is the beginning page. This is the first thing you'll see when you log in. And so all you just need to do now is click address book. When you click address book, it takes you to this page, and you click distribution list, and inside distribution list you create the name of the list you want to save. That is the list of numbers you want to save in the address book. You give it like an heading. For example, you want to call it first list. Let's just call it first. That's the list name. So you know that people inside first are the first people that are inside your list. So you click add. When you click add, it tells you list added successfully. You click OK. You come here and you choose that, you select that list name again, and you see it's bringing you a link called import numbers. So you are going to click import numbers, and you are going to copy and paste your numbers there. If you have your number, you can just copy and paste it into the place. The number is not that handy, but I'm trying to see where the number are. Don't worry. I'm just going to search through my accounts and get the numbers out. Okay. Select all the number. You observe something, that this number is created, is formatted straight down. We type this straight down. It has to be straight down, and the first 0 that begins each Nigerian number is replaced with 234. So you start each number with 234, not 0. Please note that if you are entering your numbers using the distribution list, you have to go through this process. So you select all, and you copy. When you copy, you paste the number here, and you click import. It's going to tell you the exact numbers that were imported into that list. Once it's done, say 887 number added successfully. If some numbers are having errors, it will remove them automatically. So against 3 numbers, it's supposed to be about 900 numbers. 3 numbers were removed automatically. So you click OK, and once that is there, the number is already saved. You can see that the number is already saved in the database, and of course these numbers can be deleted. Any of them can be deleted, and it can also be added to. We can add more to the numbers. We can, if you want to add more, you just click import, you paste the number again, click import again, it will add it. Now if they are replicated numbers, it will automatically remove them, so there won't be two same numbers inside the list. Only unique numbers will be there. So let's go now. The next that's it for putting in the address, the numbers into the address book. Now to be able to put in to be able to send bulk SMS using this list that you have created, then just come to send SMS. You click on send SMS. Anytime you want to send SMS, you click send SMS. There are different ways of sending SMS. You can send singly. If you look at this section carefully, it says please enter mobile number. Maximum 100 numbers can be added, separated by a comma. If you are using single SMS, that means you are going to type numbers, assuming you want to send SMS now, because the next tutorial I want to do now is on how to send SMS. Okay, so if you want to send SMS, you can send either from single SMS, from bulk SMS, and from group SMS. If it's single SMS, you type your numbers, let's say 23 something something, you put a comma there, you type the next number, 234 something something something, like that, call it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so I'm going like that, but if you look at this instruction, it said maximum number is 100. So the maximum you can put here is 100 if it's single. If you are using single, obviously bulk and group will take more. Okay, sender SMS. If you want to send, the name that will appear to the receiver is the sender SMS. So that's the custom name that will show in their phone. Let's say you call it church, church something. It just appears. Okay, and of course you have to choose the message type. You choose text, and here you type the message, whatever the message is. If you observe very well, as you are typing message, it should be counting below here. There's a counter. Look at, let's do it again. Let's say you say hello, and this counter will be, as you are typing, it's counting the number of text you are doing. It has to be 160 characters. The maximum is 160 characters. So that's the maximum, 160 characters. If it's more than 160 characters, it becomes 2 SMS. It's not 1 SMS again. It becomes 2, and you'll be charged for 2. Your balance here, it will deduct 2 units. What's supposed to deduct for 1 unit, 2 naira, it deducts 2. So you have to be careful not to use 2 pages, except you have to, or except you really want to. So that it won't just chop your money, and you'll be wondering how come your money went off. Now, if you don't want the message to be, if you want the message to go immediately, just click send. But if you don't want it to go now, you want it to go later, then you click on schedule. When you click on schedule, it will go at a stipulated date, that you choose, and that date, you won't need to log in again to send. And with that kind of method, you can do a recurrent thing. If you want a particular message to go every Friday, or every first day of the month, you can target that first day of the month, fix it, okay, first day, and every first day, the first day of the month, the thing will just shoot at the exact time. Let's say it's 12 midnight or 6 a.m. You can choose the time and all that. So once you do that, it goes let's choose March, 1st of March. So it will go at that date. So you may not be able to wake up by 6 a.m. but then you want the message to go by 6 a.m. So you set it, and the thing delivers, and while you are sleeping, the thing is already showing to people. So if you don't know that, you don't need to use that. Bulk SMS. If you want to use bulk SMS instead of single, you click bulk SMS, and this one is used to personalize messages in case you want the message to be personal, to show their name. You want to remove duplicates, you check this. Message type, you check this. Then you upload the file that carries the Excel file that carries the name and the phone numbers and the phone and the number, so that each message will be branded to each person's name. So your sender will still be here, the message will still be here. And if you want to read more about how to personalize, just click on personalize help. You see a tutorial on how the number is arranged. You see the number mobile, the name, the address, the message. All this must be arranged in this way, this format. Mobile number. The first column should always be mobile number, including country code on which SMS will be sent. So that's why 234 is very crucial for Nigeria. 234 something, and the name of the person. If you want the address, fine. It's not compulsory to put the address. The message. So it will send the message to each person with their name, and the message will be as if you send it to them personally. It will look like a bulk SMS. So that's how that goes. Now, if you want to group the SMS, which is what we want to really do, because we have saved our number in the address book, and this is exactly what I want you to do. So right now, if you want to send large number of message that is much more than 100, and you are not really particular about personalizing, you don't want to personalize your bulk SMS, so because this bulk SMS is mainly for personalizing. If you don't want to personalize, don't bother with this. If your numbers are more than 100, don't bother with this. Okay, so the number one upload is almost about 900 numbers. So all you just do is click bulk SMS here, click bulk SMS, and see how we're going to do it. Click bulk SMS. You can click remove duplicate number, so that just to be sure that duplicate numbers are removed. And you click on imports. We're not going to click this because we're not using a group list. Total groups are 0. We've not created any group, and we're not using group. We just want to send to a list. So you click on imports, and you click on first. This is the distribution. Assuming you have your numbers in groups, that's maybe you have created groups initially, you can begin to select whichever group. Assuming you want to create a group, you can start. But then the one we want to do is distribution list. Yeah. So just click. Remember this name that we chose the other time. First, that's for the list. So you just click it and click imports. And once you click imports, this thing is getting ready. So put your sender. Sender, let's say, is Timmy. Okay. Select message type. Say message is hello, and just click send. That's all. Immediately you click send, the message goes. I don't want to click it now and of course it's going to give you a green notification here that your message has been sent. Okay. Always watch out for that. If it's not sent, it will tell you there's a problem somewhere. So, and if you want to schedule it, like we said, click on this, select the date, a later date. Let's say you want it to go in a later date. Let's say March. Click the date and click send. The thing will deliver.